Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to group rows in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if I want to group these rows here, let's suppose like 5 6 7 or 8, I will just select these rows here and then I will press from my keyboard Alt plus Shift plus right arrow key. Okay, Alt plus Shift plus right arrow key at the same time. So Alt, Shift and right arrow key, and this will actually ask from me that whether you want to group the rows or columns. So I will select rows and I will click on OK, and now here you can see that I have successfully grouped these rows, and when I click on minus here it will collapse. Okay, so here you can see basically, so that's what I was basically referring to. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.